What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we keep working on G35. We have the same issue we have before, cylinder 6 misfire. So today with video I'm going to show you why it caused all that, how to fix that, and how cheap you can fix it. So guys, stay with me, I'm going to show you everything, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, like that we can see more tricks. Stay with me guys, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so pretty much we did change the coil, we changed the horsepower flex for the car. But some issues stay on the car. Cylinder 6, they give me misfire sometimes. So a big headache for that car. And I've been like yesterday, I've been changed coolant for the car, and I break the bleeder sides. The bleeder sides are breaking, so now I put just like a pipe there because no one has the parts. I have to go from the dealer, and I'll remove my catch can. Remove the catch can out. So the problem for this car is gonna be cylinder misfire, cylinder 6. So it's gonna be the fuel injection problem. So what I have to do, I have to change my injection. If you have the same problem, if your injection go bad, mean your injection is bad. So you can change only one, or you can get the whole sets, Z1 or the OEM one. OEM is expensive, but the problem is gonna be the fuel injection problem. So guys, after I fill up the gas in the car for the injection, and the car start act better. So what does mean? If you have a low gas on the car, you gotta cause you the check engine lights on and cylinder 6 misfire, like they have a low injection, like a low flow in the gas. So this was what's going on. So I fill up my gas, and because that happened for me before, so I'm gonna fill up the gas, the car drive better. As soon as my gas be low, the car start act the same problem I have before. So now the car ran, no issue, no engine lights on. Let's show you guys. There you go guys, so the car is running, no check engine lights, the car doesn't shake. I drive it, I feel the car drive like normal. I don't get it guys. So what I did right now is just buy the injection, one injection for cylinder 6, and the gasket for the intake manifold. Of course, when you open the intake manifold. Okay guys, how do you see the video? I have the issue on cylinder 6. So as soon as I fill up my gas, the car start act better. So just don't waste your money, waste your time, because I see a lot of people has the same problem, same issue. Okay, if you want to change the injection, it's gonna be better. But if you don't want to spend money, just don't forget, don't keep your gas go low too much. Just keep it half and keep full up your gas. Don't let the gas be low. Just fill up the gas, and the car is gonna be driving better, smoother, no problem. As soon as I keep my gas go low, I still have the same problem. I think I gotta change the injection on my car. Then we go from there. So guys, this is how it is. So guys, before I forget, don't use cheap gas in Infiniti. Infiniti, you have to use Premier gas. This is the premier of the cost mess up your injection, because you put a wrong gas to the car, so the car start act like crazy. Always use premier gas, and don't forget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. And anyone has any question, please ask the question, and I'll be answering the question as soon as possible. Thank you guys, and have a good one.